I added some sound effects for my game Elemental Quest, as you can see, or as you can hear. I originally just wanted to make something like shooting fireballs and hitting enemies, but I run into another thing like slashing, so I want to add a sound for that. Then I run into another thing like NPC talking, so I have to get male and female voices, and also the witch voices. So 5 sound effects turned into 10, and then 20, and then however many that is. And in hindsight, I should have done this way earlier. Players can get feedbacks from the sound when summoning a golem or making a purchase in the shop. Here is a before and after comparison. And that is why